See, this plug goes right into there, and it fits specifically in there. You can't just plug in any USB-C. This port, this goes into that port specifically. This side will not fit in it. So there was someone who posted that you can't plug it in, it doesn't stay in well. This cord is specific to this unit, and it has a special plug and seal on the end.
The humidifier is turning on and off on its own. Seems to be losing power for a bit, and it turns back on. There it goes. I'm going to need a replacement. Barely had this unit for about a month, maybe even less.